Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a flip through of a new release from Mythographic. They've taken on some new artists, so they're releasing even more. Now this is Shelley Carroll. She's new to me, and the book's called Magick Apothecary. It actually came out last week, but I was lazy and didn't film it. As always, if you don't want commentary, hit mute and enjoy the silence, but let's flip through. So it is single-sided, just like all Mythographic books, with the perforated edges if you want to pull them out. Oh, that's pretty. Like I said, I haven't seen this artist's work, so this will be kind of fun. The last Mythographic book I bought, I returned. I even said in the review I was returning it. So I'm curious to see if I'll like this one. So far I'm enjoying it though. Unique style, very detailed though. I mean, an example, that's a lot of crystals. Here's a quick tip, by the way. If you have a ton of crystals like that and you're like me and you want it done and over with, a light washing of pastel or watered down watercolors all over, just mix and match, go like pink here, blue here, a little pink here, purple, green, whatever. Then go back and just outline it all in white and it'll look like you colored it all. And you didn't, you just washed over it. Just in case you wanted to do the lazy route. I'm all about the lazy route. Ooh, I like this one. I don't know why, but I do. Alright, that one's pretty too. Like that. That one not so much. That would be cool if it wasn't a cat. Yeah, these pages are quite detailed. Oh man, that bottle with all those little crystals, woo, that'd be rough. So this one does have a lot of tiny details in it. A lot. It's pretty artwork. It really is. But so far, only a few pages have really spoken to me, which is not a good sign. Not to say this wouldn't work for you, and I'll leave a link in the description below like I always do. But I'm always honest in these reviews. Just because I don't like it though, don't assume you won't. We're all so different. See, now I like this page. But yeah, I'm rather particular. Like these leaves here on this, way too small. Wow, I'd love to color this page. I don't know why, I'm not usually a feathers gal. Again, very small details here. Lots of crystals. Tiny, tiny crystals. This artist really wanted us to work for it. That one's actually not too bad. Ooh, I like this one. But more of those stupid tiny crystals. She's got a thing. I mean, it is apothecary, so I guess crystals. It's a unique style. Oh, this would be gorgeous to color. Oh man, beautiful to color. I would say out of all the pages, that would be my favorite so far. I don't know, we still got a ways. That's a beautiful page too, and it's not, it looks busy, but it's not as bad. That one's just odd. Plus it's an eyeball. Fingers on an eyeball. Ooh, I can't even put contacts in, so I definitely can't draw or color big old eyeballs. Interesting style there. Alright. Yeah, a lot of the leaves and stuff are very teeny tiny in this one. And that is it. So that is the new release, and to be honest, just like the last one I got, I'm going to return it because there was only a couple pages that I was like, oh, these are interesting, but would I like, I didn't even have the urgency feel to like color them right now. It'd be like, I'll color those later because they're cool. So we're going to call this one another flop, which kind of sucks because that's 2 in a row. I'm not giving up on Mythographic though. I do have my go-tos like Joseph Kemmbing, who's coming out with more soon, Fabiano Attanasio, one of my faves. There was another one that I liked, but I can't recall their name now. But so far, the last 2 have been new artists, and I haven't been very impressed. And I know they're trying to get more artists to branch out, but yeah, I don't know. I hope that they're not like encouraging more small bits, like, because some of them in this one would just take way too long. Like I said, I would almost wash it over with watercolor and outline it and call it a day. But let me know if you pre-ordered this, if you liked it, hated it, mixed feelings, your thoughts. I always like to hear. Share them with everyone in the comments below. And then hopefully the next Mythographic I get, I can say, yay, I'm keeping it. Because it's always bumming when I flip through and then I'm like, oh, well, never mind. So until next time, bye now.